Hey guys, so this video isn't so much, it isn't a tutorial in any way, shape, or form, but I just wanted to show you all the cool things that people have made just with CSS. No animation, no JavaScript involved. So the first one I want to show you is Donovan Hutchinson. He has his own tutorial website as well called CSS Rocks. But he also has a lot of his code on CodePen. And he has these animations. Here we go. There's loading. That's all CSS animations right there. And the best part is that he has his code right here. You can see exactly what he did. Like all his CSS right here. I mean, there's other things he's done. One of the coolest things I've seen him do, I think I can find it. And he has his own tutorial on his site as well. Where is that? Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is my favorite. Here, he has the moon going around the earth, and when you hover over it, like this is all everything that I taught you about, transform, transitions, and keyframes. He used it in here. You just have to have some sort of imagination, and boom. You can go through his CodePen. Was it CodePen.io Donovan pen? I'll try to remember to stick it in my my details under the YouTube video. But yeah, go through that. It's so cool. Also, gosh, there's more here. This one was really cool. I love this one. Guys, this is CSS. This guy. Oh, I lost it. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll try to post this down here too. But yeah, it's so cool, right? CSS. CSS animations. I haven't seen this one yet. What's this sucker do? Dang. And it's all in CodePen too. You can see exactly what they did. What is an ice cream loader? Pretty. Oh, colors. Pure CSS pigeons. I'm curious. Oh, that's fun. All right, I'm gonna stop. I can't watch this. Oh, this is another one that is really cool. I'm not gonna go through it, but this woman, her name, please tell me her name. Una Kravitz. She makes an entire game just with CSS. And I'll try to link this at the bottom too. I'm gonna play a little bit of this. This right here, BB-8, is straight up CSS animations.
I ran a few modifier classes, basically changing the delay so that they pulse at different times, and there we go.
So yeah, just wanted to give you a couple videos, couple animations, just to give you an idea of what people have done with CSS animations. Maybe get you inspired. I'll try to post these links at the bottom of this video. But yeah, what? Black bear. Okay. So yeah. Alright, I'll stop. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And have a lovely rest of the day.